dumpster rental service in Penrose, Colorado. Why struggle with waste removal when Red Rock Disposal can make it easy? Our trusted dumpster rental service in Penrose, Colorado, is here to simplify your cleanup projects, big or small. Whether tackling a home renovation, clearing the garage, or managing construction debris, Red Rock Disposal offers the perfect solution for all your waste removal needs. We pride ourselves on providing reliable, affordable, and timely dumpster rental services in Penrose, Colorado. No matter your project, we ensure that waste removal is one less thing for you to worry about. At Red Rock Disposal, we prioritize customer satisfaction. From the moment you call us, our team works to deliver a hassle-free experience tailored to your needs. Do you need a dumpster for a construction project? Our team understands contractors' unique demands and ensures your site stays safe, organized, and debris-free. For homeowners, our dumpster rentals are perfect for decluttering, spring cleaning, or tackling that overdue home improvement project. Choose Red Rock Disposal for your dumpster rental service in Penrose, Colorado, and let us handle the mess so you can focus on what matters most. Call us today at 719-396-2723. We're ready to make your waste removal simple and hassle-free.